Very good morning to all. After completing our chapter number 12, today we are going to start our chapter number 13, that is bird. And here we have to learn today beaks of birds, claws of birds, and eating habitat of different type of bird. So in this lesson, claws of bird, beak of birds, and nest of birds. Because we all know a different type of birds are using a different type of nest to lay their eggs and to keep them safe and warm. So here beaks, claws and feathers. Okay, which beaks are using to eat nuts and grains and food. Claws are using to walk on the ground and dig the soil to search out the insect and grains present in the soil. And feathers are keep them warm, they protect their bodies by the feathers and help to them in flying and change the direction. So these are the most important part, that is beaks, claws and feathers. Which are beaks, claws and feathers are a few characteristics. Underline the spelling of characteristic. Okay, characteristic means this part they are using to do a different type of work for their body. Okay, just like I told you, beaks are using to eat food, claws are using to walk on the grounds, and feathers keep them warm. So these are the characteristics of birds. Birds have a different beak and claws which help them in a various way, because all the birds are having a different type of beak. Okay, some of the birds are having a hooked, some of the birds are having a sharp and pointed beak, some of the birds are a blunt and pointed. So these are the different beaks in the birds. Different birds build a different type of nest according to their using, and they have to lay the eggs. So here we have to learn detail of claws of birds. So out of beaks, claws and nest, first what we have to learn? Claws of birds. What is the meaning of claws? Which birds are using to sit, okay, on the ground, walk on the grounds, okay. So the claws of the birds differ according. What is the meaning of according? To their requirement. According means their requirement. Like a sparrow is having a small body, pigeon is having a little bit big body than the sparrow, and peacock is having a heavy body. So according to that they can use their claws. Claws means हम हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं हमारे लेग के जो पंजे होते हैं, okay, that is called claws. चलो, according, underline the spelling of according and characteristic to their habit. Food habit and function. Food habit and function. According, like the sparrow. The sparrow eat nuts, grains, okay, and peacock eats some type of insect also. So सभी birds का जो eating habitat है वो different है, okay, उसका function भी अलग है. Okay, some of the birds are using their claws to dig out the soil, and some of the birds are using their beak to crack the nuts and peels of the nuts. Nuts की जो peels है उसको break करते हैं, उसमें से grains और nuts खाते हैं. तो सबका function भी यहाँ पे अलग अलग है. Underline the spelling of function. Means working habitat. What is the meaning of function? They can use their working habitat according to their requirement. That is called according. They help the birds to hold the branches. They prey or swim into the water. Claws. Like we are talking about the claws of pigeon. Okay. या claws of parrot. Otherwise claws of crow. तो उनके जो claws है, पंजे है, तो when they are sits on the branches of tree. Yeah, when they are swim in the water, so their claws are broad, okay, and flappers like. Flappers means they are broad. There will be a gap between two fingers and the skin are attached like this type of way. Okay, तो सेंटर में क्या है, दो फिंगर्स के बीच में स्किन है, तो they are broad. Okay, ऐसे जो उनके पंजे होते हैं. Okay, and there will be skin attached to between a two finger, that is called webbed, webbed, webbed or flappers type clothes. Okay, which they are held to hold means branches को पकड़ के रखते हैं, to catch it. Hold means to catch it, उसको पकड़ के रखते हैं, otherwise they are worried about okay when they are sleeping or they are going to take a rest, they fall down, and that is why they are hold, पकड़ के रखते हैं, इसकी वजह से, क्लोज की वजह से. Their prey means उसका खाना. Okay, because birds also require prey. तो when the insect are stick on the branches of trees, तो जब भी वो अपना पैर और पंजा, okay, क्लोज ब्रांचेस के ऊपर ग्रिप मीन्स पकड़ के रखने का, तो वो फूड को सर्च करेंगे. और swim, when they are swim on the surface of the water, they catch their prey or an insect. They also protect means to be save, to be conserved to the birds from the enemies. Okay, जो big animals है वो उनके एग है या उनके स्मॉल बर्ड्स है, ओके, बेबी बर्ड्स उसको खाने के लिए आते हैं, तो दे प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम द एनिमीज. ओके, द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ बर्ड्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर क्लोज एज फॉलो. ओके, क्लासिफिकेशन मीन्स टू बी डिवाइड. Classification means to be divided into a different group according to their habits. So here we have to see the classifications of birds according to their habitat of the claws. यहाँ पे कौन से birds का कौन सा claws है, which type of claws are using a different type of bird. P-R-E-C-H-I-N-G, preaching birds. Okay, preaching birds means they have to dig out the soil. यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं these birds have 3 long toes. Okay, what is the meaning of toes? 3 toes. When we have to see on our finger the line like structure, हमारा जो ये toes है, okay, यहाँ पे that is called toes. तो ऐसे birds के अंदर 3 long toes in front and one at the back, making their grip extremely strong. Okay, extremely, too much make a strong, because 3 are front and 1 is back. तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, लेग का बैलेंस रहता है, that is called extremely short. तो यहाँ पे अंडरलाइन करो extremely. Okay, confidently they made their, okay, to strong the branches of tree, they have to hold. They can be hold to a branches of tree so firmly. Okay, what is the meaning of firmly? To make it tight towards the branches of tree, towards the branches of tree. So firmly means to make it tight. Okay, that is called firmly, that they do not fall off in when they sleeping. For example, sparrow and crows. So sparrow and crows are the example of preaching birds. Okay, means when they are sleeping, तो वो इतने confidently trees की branches को पकड़ के सो जाते हैं. Okay, firmly का meaning है tightly. तो उनको कोई डर नहीं रहता है. They do not worried about कि when they are sleeping they fall down. Okay, so which are the example of preaching bird? Sparrow and crows. तो यहाँ पे आपको example underline सिर्फ just remember के लिए करना है, आपको extremely ही spelling यहाँ पे underline करनी है. चलो, now flesh eating birds. Okay, because some of the birds are eat a insect. Okay, present on the branches of this tree, on the branches of trees and in the water. So flesh eating birds have a sharp claws. Which type of claws? Sharp claws, which are called talons. What it is called? Talons. Sharp, because they are dig the ground, okay, and they can search out the insect from the soil या in the forest or on the branches of trees. वो trees की branches को पहले क्या करते हैं? Pinch out करते हैं, खोदते हैं उसको, okay, और उसमें से insect को निकालते हैं. And using this part, these are called talons. So flesh-eating birds have a sharp claws, and that sharp claws is called talons. Okay, this part is called talons. उसका कोई meaning नहीं है. ओके, वो शार्प क्लोज जो है जिसकी वजह से वो खोदते हैं, डिग आउट करते हैं, पॉइंट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड टैलॉन्स. ओके, पिंच करने, उसके जो क्लोज है वो पिंच करते हैं. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड टैलॉन्स. चलो, दे हेल्प द बर्ड्स टू कैच एंड होल्ड ऑन देयर प्रे टाइटली. फॉर एग्जांपल, ईगल एंड हॉक. ओके, eagle and hawk, they catch their prey, hold on the tightly. For example, eagle and vulture, because eagle and vulture are the scavengers animal. जो एनिमल्स मर जाते हैं, जो एनिमल्स किल्ड हो जाते हैं और उनकी बॉडी डिकेड हो जाती है, सड़ हो जाती है, उसकी बॉडी की जो स्किन है उसको टेयर करते हैं, पिंच करते हैं. वो किसकी वजह से पिंच करते हैं? टैलॉन्स की वजह से. शार्प एंड पॉइंटेड क्लोज, वो उनके जो नख होते हैं, नेल्स होते हैं, उसके वो पिंच करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड टैलॉन्स. ओके, तो वो कौन से एनिमल है? ईगल एंड हॉक, बिकॉज वो लायन है, टाइगर है, डॉग है, ओके, कैट है, वो मर जाते हैं तो उनकी स्किन को वो पिंच करते हैं. ओके, चलो, दैट इज ईगल एंड हॉक. नाउ थर्ड, wading birds. Wading birds need to stand and wade. W-A-D-E, wade. Wade means पानी की सरफेस के ऊपर फ्लोट होना और पानी की सरफेस के ऊपर क्लोज को सेट करके बॉडी का बैलेंस रखना और पानी के अंदर स्विम, फ्लोट करना. दैट इज अ वेड. थ्रू अ सैलो, ओके, सैलो वाटर टू कैच द फिश. ओके, सैलो मीन्स जब भी वाटर का 1 or 2 मीटर डीप सरफेस होता है, नॉट गो टू डीपली, बट मिडल ऑफ द वाटर और ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द वाटर, दैट इज कॉल्ड सैलो. ओके, little bit under the water, not deep into the water, on the surface of the water or middle of the water, that is called shallow water to catch the fish. And that is why this type of birds use a beak. They have a long leg and their toes are spread out. Okay, just I draw the claws. यहाँ पे जो मैंने आपको claws draw करके बताया था, ऐसे उनके क्लॉज होते हैं और यहाँ पे क्या होता है? स्किन होता है. तो ये कैसे है? ब्रॉड होते हैं. तो उन लोग क्या करते हैं? उसके क्लॉज को स्प्रेड करते हैं. स्प्रेड मींस आगे पीछे वो पानी की सरफेस के ऊपर अपने लेग स्प्रेड आउट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, हेरॉन्स एंड क्रेन्स. ओके, wading birds, because wading birds are always float and swim on the surface of the water to catch their prey from the water.